I've passed through today in the areas of Kanyanya, Chianja. The problems affecting these people, the most influential problem is the poor drainage system. This is caused by the poor disposal of garbage, the poor waste management. In the long run, the waste accumulate in the drainage channels. When they accumulate in the drainage channels, they block these channels, which leads to flooding. After flooding, a lot of pests breed in these channels, leading to diseases. This is a problem. This is a point that needs to be addressed. How we are going to address it? When I'm in Parliament, I'll be monitoring how KCC is doing their job. Like the people they give contracts to come and collect the garbage or waste from the people. Do they monitor them? Do they come and collect this? Do they come and collect the garbage regularly, or they just do it once in a while? KCC, the budget for KCC or the budget for the infrastructure needs to be added on. How? By lobbying and telling the government and the parliament that the allocation, the resources allocated for infrastructure should be increased so that we can cater for the construction of the drainage channels and even educating the masses or our local people on proper waste management and disposal, not littering their rubbish everywhere. So this is a point, and this is a real problem in the ghettos. I'm arguing and condemning the KCC, how they are running their things. Do they really monitor these people they give contracts? Yes, sir.